10th minute now say ball no mo botto nchen na omo ball mu nsema edema Christian Eriksen nema eto no last Saturday nti na muye but on the time ya kase muye sa na wa check ya hwese bia o betika no so says eno so na muya eno na problem no
mo kutwa mo bet betika.com no say etito ye ma
ho de
na say euros ndi nko ye
chairman anu ede
euros na so de fa na fa
uye no go sa na yes bibio
eno fifi o hwe na yi no so na dem akahye won si si euros yi so na msinya abotre bibia be bibia be
kakaka
na de kokula bi so town
kwakwa ba
kwakula bi o town
na we ni ntino ba ya na se oba no ba bi dada ana
kwakula bi so ba obi gela de ntino ba
sir
obetechiri minim so obetechiri na obesena
chairman mo hweni yo man no mo hweni yo mo hweni ye pa mo hweni ye
kwakula bi aba
nko ne maye no de
ye de something na eba na edi kan no say Accra to folk the letter bi aba bonten in fact omo fa ma bonten a letter how the folk ayan come dey come FM panyimfo and yensa kabi
okay
ya chance on the letter na how to folk asama mo kenyina ne say omo game ombe bono league match on bon Thursday no FM postpone league match in fact ombenya nkomo nya no Wednesday nya sa postpone match no momo because ombo Thursday na omni got match or on Sunday.
But me sure say because Kotoko so bo Wednesday. On the Kotoko bo Wednesday no has never bo Thursday ah. The Thursday no class 6 p.m. Oh, we na say problem no has for issues kaka say esa na Kotoko for arrest chain omo. Oh, tie no ne bia on be so mo yema efi no exercise date no. Minya na mate say nkofo ya argument bebrebe say okọ amonane a yem say bia Chelsea Babebo Liverpool omo game midweek derby Champions League but me travel eco Spain wo ye English me travel eco Spain ekokobo Champions League game but oba Sunday acha ya be 4:30 o game no bebo enti eno dey but how to folk appeal na so omo letter na omo dey kono ebia efe no so betimi consider na chairman Omar say looking at say baby league na dru ne dey on say bi start ya no make arguments and games ne cry say Kotokone has you know money simultaneously on say be make his argument no some time ago
be make his argument there but only o my argument
chairman Debbie enru baby o say money simultaneously because chairman so even La Liga now Madrid but some there are times especially this just in the season there are times there are 3 teams Barcelona, Real Madrid, Atletico Madrid that bought Saturday area 2 Madrid also bought a number say 8 Barcelona bought a day Sunday so what I say nti eno ne de ensesahwe ebia the last one of matches no and I say Kabel last 2 na see a boy no simultaneously no am gidi say any nkebia no no but this year with 5 matches to go there say we born sana we abo chairman enya de bia but de be ha dwene say bia tem bia as a team baako boja baako tem bia say bia say na Kotoko bo Saturday the following week na say has bo Sunday the following week has in so much Saturday na Kotoko emo Sunday
okay what had to vote letter na yehu no request for change of game time. If I'd had to folks say, min kain has say to webina yajuchin komasiya. Or say we strongly believe that anyway, Mr. Jesus, the management of Hearts of Oak wish to respectfully request your office to consider changing the fixture date of our game against Legon Cities, which has been fixed for Thursday, 24th of June, 2021. We strongly believe that for the sake of bringing back the love and purpose of fair play, which is the mantra of the game, we wish that our game against Legon Cities should be postponed to give us equal time schedule with Kotoko to prepare for the big game against Asante Kotoko on Sunday. Kwame Prado Kasa Edema Aye Accra Hearts of Folk. Obari Mechawa no Pemijili se bibia boko. Yadengamiasi. Well, Obari, let away na yehuna no pay. Sir, na mo sre elfin say come change mo match ne time no emamo and me mo say mo ni Kotoko na on Sunday na mo bo Thursday Kotoko bo Wednesday mum na Kotoko nya more rest than you say we in your first time maybe see you say team B ana.
Well, only Amida say, Michia Obia, especially as a whole supporters. Yes, this is not the first time, but then, Intina, letter now, and Mama, yeah, as a yada, how much it should become. What we are saying is that for purposes of fair play, already, on there's noise around the, that particular assignment, and then we think that, there is also another set of noise that that has come up, and that will continue to linger on the say Bobo match maybe. So why don't we look at it? Yeah, my main concern before okay, but we feel that yes, let us go this way. Only say a couple more, right? That is in my wisdom, and a couple more. In that epic cup on a yearboard. Okay, say about FA Cup matches on Wednesday, and I say Thursday. Now, can league matches now, you have a born on Thursday and Wednesday, now you are born on this weekend. Because the only lower side more, and I say the FA Cup, say that it was a series, and all the teams in our own big opposition are on board. So you can, and when you do that, that's a also member Thursday, that's a member Saturday, for Sunday. I look at it as okay. The pressure before the biggest one is not as huge as the other one, because Legon City, they are doing so much to make sure that Omeka League, we are also doing so much to make sure that maybe a year called keep it ongoing there, which means that the game will not be as any ordinary game. There will be tension in it. Right, not tension as in between supporters here, but on the pitch, because the 3 points net down, it is something very crucial to both sides. But then can win the professionals without any disrespect to them or without any prejudice, please. And then can Thursday and Wednesday, who will complain? That is why we are saying that look, the Oman Ifano 72 hours. That's the main Oman 48 hours. Yeah, and Kian Sunday in 72 hours. I bet your support Yan Sunday in 48 hours. So that young man getting a few home and at this and a few home and at this, then we'll be able to make sure that we avoid all that noise. So that the game that we want to enjoy on the pitch, we want to enjoy it. What better point, all the talk, and because of this favor, because of that favor, that is why this team won, or because of that is why that team lost. That is what, in our wisdom, we thought that should be done. But in the wisdom of almost share competition, almost say our permission will not be granted, which means that we have to continue to focus, continue to prepare, and plan for the next game, which is that game that we'll play.
It is a say anyway. Me suggestion me even though my van home, but me know ya drink yes sir. For instance, play the league matches this weekend. Midweek we play the FA Cup games. There's a league on the weekend. Beautiful idea. No crabbe club sign.
But you FA Cup. FA Cup without any disrespect to the FA Cup. Please. FA Cup competition be able to say the tension to attract people and as high as where the league is now. Now, what the FA Cup weekend, right? The league FA Cup will be young fans say 50% for the weekend. Now, the league Aquacoche midweek. Nipa saying a bit of Aquacoche. And league weekend, and Nipa never ever corner, bear more because we shouldn't forget that we are dealing with only 35%. If we do that, the clubs are losing money. The clubs are losing money. I am not supposed to be talking for any other team, but I can tell you that with this, Legon City will lose some money.
Well, Obibe make the argument that mu game na mo bono eye in Accra. Enti mo tena Accra na bo enti mo ntu kwan bia no travel. Enti a brand new sa said ye bia mo beka no.
Yes, Matthew was there. Traveling from Obuasi to Accra How long would that take?
Maximum 5-6 hours.
That is it. And because we not of travel to Accra. If it is Thursday morning they want to come, or if it is the same Wednesday night that they want to come, right? What amount of pressure would it give to the opponent? I think say Obia or no so about Thursday night. It's not even Thursday afternoon. Thursday night. When you finish, my brother, you know football very well. When are you supposed to do your recovery?
The next day.
That is Friday.
Yeah.
So you prepare 1 day for your match, for such a big match.
And potentially the league decider.
That is it. That is it. In this, I mean, your friend is saying, Wednesday evening, Thursday morning, I can do my recovery. You get it. And I'm Thursday afternoon now. The players can rest. Thursday and Friday morning, I can do my recovery. In the evening, I'll be able to do something and continue on Saturday. But from what has happened, I cannot do anything twice on Friday because my baby will be about 8 p.m. Before the players get to their apartment, then finally say, take it or leave it, traffic, small, over 50 stadium. Oh, I go to apartment. It is 10 p.m. already. Players need rest. You can't do the recovery and have efficiency from them on Friday morning. So you have to push it a bit. Now pushing a bit now, time now, a walk on a Riano. So it means that you have to concentrate on a lot of work on Saturday. And you can also not do that because the game time is Sunday. What I say?
Mm-hmm.
So if in Yabo Kesiano, that is this weekend, and Kamebo FA Cup, which is not as big as the league at this stage now. That's one I can afford to strategize my planning that look, when they go to the we are. Me and my recovery Monday, Tuesday. We continue with my training on Thursday, Wednesday. That Thursday, me boy. I have taken my plan towards the Kotoko match right from Monday. So you do so towards only a second division team neighbor. Then you continue. But in Lagos City case, I only neighbor Thursday. The plan you start from Monday must be at super compensation level. To say the Kotoko match, that is Thursday night. How are you able to come back?
Well,
fairly. Those who knows the game, I will not hide it. You fairly say, match within 48 hours. No, after 48 hours, sorry. You should be able to play another game. What I say? Into the young catchers in the this idea. The history between the teams, we will all do ourselves to protect that history. The noise around the game, let us take the noise off. So that nobody says somebody favors somebody. You see, Ebinum favor has a book. Ebinum favor has a book. Ebinum favor has a book.
I'm not referees.
Is this a favor? Is this a favor? If somebody favors has a book, then they should give us this. So no BM was there. The favors has.
Abari, minchua drink kwa cheka krebi. Yenina Asante Kotoko enemo bono. Kotoko bo Africa game away. Omuko yes sative. There's almost two kwa manone. Omubai no bedu on a Tuesday. They were made to play the outstanding game. In fact, omni bechemno no some about the Thursday. The only luck Kotoko had was that game no me some bebono nsuo to say no. And omubo on Sunday. Tinyensuo nebia by force majana. Come about Thursday then play you on Sunday. Is it not a similar situation now? In fact, you are playing on Sunday, Thursday and Sunday. Korogodiano ball Sunday away in Algeria. Do Tuesday evening, and they have to play on Thursday and play you on Sunday.
Okay. Now, Thursday afternoon now on no bad bono. Right? Now it is all bono. It's not so sad, right? It is not the same as playing Thursday evening. There's some missing time in there that in an athlete's life he can do a lot. But let me say something, that the journey would be see the Udifi Morocco, so Udifi Algeria, or the do has it. It is not even as serious as Obiba travel from maybe you are coming from Wa or you are coming from Family to play. You get it? That is why when Manchester City came, the request, even though I stand to be corrected, even though it wasn't that official, that you get it? It is at that same background because they also understand that look, for purposes of having the best out of players, they plan back Sunday, right? Then they come and train on Tuesday, they come Sunday, they train on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. That's 72 hours before you play the match on Thursday. Once you're able to have at least 3 days, 72 hours, 3 days to get, what's mean the back? What's mean the year record? Now it's mean the two no you prepare towards the assignment. When you go to tournament, I don't know, maybe a Sunday, on Wednesday. Yes, it is because our tournament maybe our the travel distance of the walkable game. It is not as you travel around the normal league circles to go and play the game.
So argument be against Simon say Mobo against Windy in Accra, Muriam Legon cities in Accra. Then you play against Kotoko in Accra. So why I don't know purpose moment.
So now let's look at it from everybody has the opinion to make, but let's look at it from this side. You know that the pressure would be prepared between Monday and the Legon City Thursday, it is not the same as you prepare yourself now for winning professional, without any disrespect to winning professional. Now, when you play Legon City, energy now, what they say they go boy against Legon City, right? The energy will be lose, and I say the energy that you exert or the energy that you need to go through Legon City, it is not the same amount of energy that you need to go through winning professional. So it means that if you have lost more energy, you need adequate time to get back.
So Pari, if you no decide to say omun grant more request where what do you do?
Well, already not that omun decide. They've sent us a letter that they will not agree to our request. So we have only stated our case. The world should know that we are not receiving favors from any contest. The world should know that we made a case just to make sure that the noise around who is behind what and who is getting what is cleared so that it now able to go into the game fairly. But if we don't get it and their cases, we should go ahead and play. Wow, we will continue to prepare. Our next assignment is against Windy Professionals. That's where the focus is. If you are, the focus will shift on Legon City. Then, Friday, Saturday, to turn the focus on Kotogo. So for now, that's not where the focus is. So we'll continue to prepare.
Okay. Dabiano, Kotogoni has the bar, Ubusa Kotogo officials, also just 3 points now stake. Kotogoni has and you more than 3 points, just like all the other games. Sana has and Penivozio with some Moka. But obviously, per this letter, and the almost Kotoko, and Romo Bomono, Omoyeno. It is not just about the 3 points, but a lot goes into games like this.
Yes, a lot of factors, and we don't want those. You should say French factors, around the game, to have an impact on the day against any other team, either on the supporters, either on the team, right? I just idea, like once again, I would say that it is the 3 points that is the most important for either side. But which can be avoided so that it doesn't generate any unnecessary tension. For example, Unim said, Olympics boy. My good friend, Oluboy, it makes a comment to say, referees and then Boa House of Folk, which I think was rather unfortunate. The referees and then Boa House of Folk. It is a similar thing that happened some time ago. That's me when we were going to play with our stars. That I sat on radio and said that we should be very careful about the referees. Yeah, call yeah, share What was I say 3-1? Right? I'm share our supporters expressed their displeasure because we felt that goal now. I'm share one was not a proper goal. I was banned for 1 year.
Aye.
Yes. It means that somebody's comment can have influence on a game. These are the things that we want to avoid. So that nobody says that, look, you put me in an disadvantaged position even before the game started. So that doesn't create anything. These are the things that we want the system to avoid. Then Obina make his commentary and he should go. The first goal now referee disallow, yeah. Wouldn't somebody sit somewhere to say that it is because we said that is why the referee disallowed the goal? But it was a perfect goal. It was a perfect goal. And then the young person will do the pressure to referee to disallow the goal. They go for free.
Well, they say referee sense me opare minim what ya empanyefo bi suggestion is a kodokone hearts no do ba bi kwa bi anka we foreign referee near na beginam would you say?
Well, I think the referee association they in their own wisdom they know what to do. We need a referee that will be fair on the day to both sides. We need a referee that has the thick skin and whatever the game will produce on the pitch on the day. So more within, I'm not the one to give them this advice, but more within. Why not? Or more social, that's within. They think that this is what they want to do. They should come up with explanation in whatever decision they take. For us, we are looking at the best, and we are looking at whoever will be able to handle the game fairly. Then who are obeying Kugo, what the respect the coffee. Then you're not doing Kunim, I would say, and I want the and a man doing Kunim.
Nancy and the boss say status committee, mo coaches, almost the ruling be about against you, and then some meaning pressure kakra na. Of course, knowing that we need league for some time, and I'm gonna go to call April League and likely say that game could be the decider, as in who wins the league, as in who will win the game. And the pressure be about Thomas, so how to focus as a club.
Oh, at all, not at all, not at all. Yeah, idea. We are taking it game after game from the beginning of the season. I think we said it that this is the approach that we have adopted, and it is the same approach. That game is not on our mind now. What is on our mind is the next game, which is important to us as we try to make sure that we progress to the next stage.
Then Adija has a folk fans with respect to a game at so some about 2 games before that game there, but House of Folk fans no break some match no super Kotokoni has title decider. Then Adija.
Well, my message to House of Folk supporters is let us keep the focus behind the team. Here I'm going to win the professionals. When we finish, we shift the focus onto Legon City. Then after the next direction, we'll call upon them.
You call on them?
Yes.
Match the supporters in the match.
What's it?
When you got to supporters match, Anna.
Oh, there you make us as supporters, but players never boy. Maybe I forgot to make one and the carry.
Ah, but when you me John Mama, but a bit so suggested and Cabaya can match we. Ka FM penny phone in Strana, Bemu penny phone place, Kayanko be 50% of the stadium's capacity instead of the 25 because of the magnitude of the match. This is the biggest fixture in Ghana football.
Well, considering everything that is surrounding football now, I think that if the health authorities advising government on it, especially on COVID, ever consider, I think it will help the impact of Ghana football. Because when you say the likelihood that the 25% in every share ball now, the likelihood that you can have about 50% of supporters behind the gate, possible.
Yes.
And that might create something that is not good for anybody, right? Don't say everybody wants to be involved in games like this. 25% is also a super great, But if a to me, I consider something, I think it will be very good for the image of football.
Oh, okay. Kwame Prado, with CP and pay say watching right now near TF in Atchinkomo live on Pure 95.7.
Pure FM.
Okay, Atevo, Yane Kwame Opare Ado. Ono ene kasamade ema hatsefo. Na omo chokrata koma efe no sanka beya omo game on born on Thursday. In fact, Opare made a suggestion bia. Me obi the Christian it looks like in fact assembly obi can na 7 predators eto asuma ne yare o sinka efe no ade na efe na anyen se ohwe FA Cup no baby ya dru na enye baby emu ohyepa ni etiade na nka FA na anyen se ball league last weekend kayem mo league ni mom league match e bo no midweek no yam anu mo weekend yi never FA Cup games no enko midweek nankemo league no the following weekend because FA Cup games no teams be to me afford it at the fringe players kakra bobi especially when has ni win the neighbor ko ne Thunderbolt and ebo nti omo nyina be ten sa nanka league game crowns game no abaso on Sunday but mo request on go my FA no Christian Akwaba obi se bibia mo ko there obi me chat every Christian ho I had to request an FA not to go. FA say, I want to be your way.
FA no their hands are tied. I want to be your way. Nampeni force okoto sa bobi si unu aso a. Ka che ne se sorry so.
And Gaza sorry so. We go finish all the baba.
So the bow so. Enche kra. Asante Kotoko ebo Africa game one eko Algeria to play mu ba. No mun Ghana akra o. And FA inform say no more 2 outstanding games against Bichim and then House of Folk. Then the FA was Kotoko play more, but I think Kotoko posted on Twitter they were complaining.
I got to complain on Twitter.
They were complaining. Say ya too quite prenya medruye. Then FA the outstanding game ashe on a Thursday. Ya bought Thursday anywhere. Then Sunday na Kotoko board the Classico. As much as Kotoko complaining, you know. Obi enfi omu obi enti omu ade ebu Asante Kotoko that day ni se omu di bechem ebo on Thursday no ene nsuo toye se ke nsuo anto a e ke the same situation nkia Kotoko has ikom no Kotoko komu ka Kotoko bo bechem on Thursday ni wie ya then the following Sunday no nenko bo has folk etino chairman these days Krano their perception say this FA favoritism towards House of Folk.
And now okay say
it is a FA ni Krano if the FA even want to do this craft for House of Folk. I'm for because say kind. Say Kotoko ne kan maybe a twem no the FA they don't listen. But House of Folk be kan dey. Omo tie dia mo. So even though say House of Folk might be making genuine case, because of precedence, this FA as a theater no, their hands are tied. They can't do anything about it. Me say Kotoko House of Folk is our biggest game.
The biggest fixture.
The biggest fixture local league.
Yeah, in your local league in Ghana football.
Yes. Enti chairman, enti nka Kotoko ne House of Folk ebobo. Enka limitations bia nka enye very good and enye very nice game no. Chairman Kenyim free. These two teams should sell as a very nice football. And some here brand ambassadors of Ghana football, Ghana local league, And Kotoko has and a man that feel of the Ghanaian football. Etinka say week now Kotoko ne as eba game no ade bi ebetimi a limitations ama sa two teams no ema very good football there enka yenyim free honom na ka sa two teams no enya enough preparation na nka on that day no omma the world no ehu how Ghana football enso tie but we are no precedence there unya set to no a when you are going back against your own precedence ya na dim papa me so say Kotoko e complain no and if ni tie back then kenye case o
yeah. They could have done the same thing for us.
But having not listened to Kotoko, how do you listen to Asufuk? How?
Okay, Obi Joyce.
Chairman.
Asama Abani.
Yeah. Me pesa minya facts ni. The facts first of all. Hearts of Oak ni Legon Cities the 20th.
That's Thursday.
Okay.
20th that
weekend, Sunday.
That be Hearts of Oak both Windy Professionals this
weekend. Yeah, yes. 20th. Weekend, the 18th. In Church 19th. Sunday 20th.
Hearts of Oak Windy Professionals.
Windy Professionals, FA Cup round of 32. So irrelevant. No, irrelevant. Say round of 32, their competition.
Not that important.
So it's not relevant.
it is.
So then the next match is on the 24th.
Thursday,
6 p.m.
6 p.m. against Legon Cities.
Legon Cities.
Yeah.
Okay. Now Kotoko Hearts of Oak 27th.
Sunday.
Into between Windy Professionals and Legon Cities near 4 days. And now between Legon Cities and Kotoko match 3 days. Okay. Hearts of Oak let no call 16th. That's Ukwadai. Wednesday in the choir. So, well, I cannot fault the FA too much because Hearts of Oak, that's the problem with our fixtures. Fixture, I'm saying, the Biano Penny Fortuna, so Thursday, normally decide when and when one will play. Into the timing of Hearts of Oak letter, no, a corner nim kaka around the 14th, that was on Monday. I'm sure the FA would have done justice to such situation. But truth be told, points are Hearts of Oak raising are so relevant. But be a league not drew no. And it's not for Hearts of Oak in Kwao and for Santi Kotoko as well. Because we tender about Saturday midweek on the Karela or Boise. Now me sure some movie or Boise no ukwada numra on Baba Kumasi. Na ya wada humachi omesimko and crime. I mean, I'm sure we'll not get the best of football on Sunday.
It is only Oparia again say.
Absolutely.
And ka omoma league matches no eba weekend
I don't tell me say round of 32 no and relevant.
Because round of 32 no Kakotokwana has come to decide say omo reserve players omo time mobile.
Yes.
Omo use omo more.
Round of 32 no relevant. With the last 5 games Saka or Premier League nim and it's your photo finish no AC kono. Or the round of 32 be shame at this material moment. Now planning ya correct.
Send your own program on my out.
Or there be Intermaker said there's a problem with our fixtures. We are in 18th June. You name the whole fixtures of the Premier League. God make English Premier. And I'm saying no action on me or mobi bia buy. I will be any. And now ko FA website. So who predicted a dark Kotoko the last match against the last match is against
the 11 Wonders.
No, against Sharks.
Sorry.
Unya the date and the time. Akabe 2 or 3 days or 4 days to the game. And the FA no be release the time because of TV rights issues and all of that. And this issue had to work raising. And my say there's the lack of planning, proper planning as far as your football calendar no are concerned. And then so I agree there. And you see, Germany had to work PRO dream cry the financial gain. Because unimen kramem and it's just a cra, but Sanya Ghana and Kasa City. Come on, see a Santi Kotoko tender boat to a juso. Memenda. But Karela ne Kotokono. Yeah, their question midweek or Boise. Between side games, no. Had to work Legon Cities Kotoko Karela, no. And they had to work Windy Professionals Kotoko tender boats, no. Matches no. Which of them is important? And which of them deserves a weekend of football? And it makes sense.
It's old Yanukade, you are looking at it generally.
Yes, one
Sir,
financially, the
sir,
financial gain, the inconvenience you cause because midweek Hearts of Oak Legon City is midweek 6 p.m. I mean,
because na me try and say ayi benya kotoko for tweet na maya. Emra okay kotoko cause setif.
Chairman, I know there is a case near the bar. It does not favor anyone. So you kotoko no aka say oh, asema House of Oak kano a bit too young. No, asem we better between kotoko and House of Oak no. Kotoko mum trabe bre. Yes. Wednesday on Karela. Thursday Osim bus no beko 4 hours of driving and only now the biggest kotoko problem fatigue. Not bus and baby na boys in person communia play mukran combetina because I'm not bus more bread.
It will say kotoko fly boys.
Of course, and that's additional cost. Inti only Karela na small match only dear we see Taylor ni Osman Bashiru ne Kwame Boateng num na eba bebo. Denya on best stretchy kotoko senya Denmark stretchy Belgium no. Now we are what's out now bas mu near the Mukon crying. Oh, Sanko share how to, and that's where they even had to work advantage, you know, because Obo Legon City so home, Obo Windy professionals were home. No Sansoni got into another okay. In Kani Papa no, I was second because supporting House of Folk for request way. It is a request which can be denied or granted, but at this material moment, in the interest of Ghana football, and it's a person. Super clash, no, and I've always said the super clash is the proper definition of Ghana football. So a person who send your pempers, now why are we going for a foreign referee? Yeah, compare foreign referee. Now so who boy the boss a ball na who no. Yeah, the basa. I support this request. Unfortunately, FNL because I'm sure said time and Komunya America cried a planning was as to I'm sure said FNL would have granted them this access. But this is a case that involves Kotoko and Hearts of Oak, and it's in the interest of their players. The entire Christian Eriksen collapse, and justified and someone as Jurgen Klopp and Pep Guardiola Mokano. We stress the players too much. Yes, unfortunately, Ghana any competitions be brave. But senior we are seeing this econo. I was here my Mrantiano enough time to relax
because
and play
your
good
ball
football.
league last weekend no. The ball league last weekend no. Where I would tend to, in fact, House of a request of Thursday night in there. Many of my there, but the many only operating here. How our fixtures are done. Say your ball league matches last weekend.
Yeah.
The whole of this week.
Yeah.
Games no.
Yeah.
Yeah, midweek this week.
Yeah. This week midweek no. Now was say FA Cup games.
What I say? Again, yamfa midweek FA Cup games na amba. Na yamfa your friend say yamfa other league match anko say ebia the weekend. Near momo be a whole week's rest. Sanya sakra other nebia league matches na him say FA Cup is a baby do know that Premier League teams are playing against the lower sides. Enti you know you're a big fixture ever. Kotokoni has na osi ye dodo hu ye man ye grant. Oh, say ebianka midweek no ke be league no. Sorry, ka Sunday e be and a weekend e be league matches no. Obi abo ni league matches na nanka midweek no. Nanka abo FA Cup games no. For instance, ebia Kotoko ombetu kwan no. Ombetu decide say they can even divide their team into two or decide that players now they will stay back and play that game. Maybe I could join the team.
Yeah.
So the first team will leave for Accra.
Absolutely.
Probably stay for like a week.
Yeah.
And prepare for the game.
Yeah.
The same way Hasbro can do same. Say almost players be so any other teams now by this is our biggest fixture. And
absolutely.
And the very moment I got the end even granted, there was no way they were going to grant.
Oh well, I'm not. So yeah.
I gotta go tweet Nyanka Kayokaka. David Obinyako and editor and us can say wow, we have just been informed whilst on transit to Ghana. Kumar said that we are playing Bechem United on Thursday in Accra before Hearts on Sunday. And I know Obaka Kotokono Omoko Algeria. And I know more about I think was it a Monday evening and
your request send your House of Folk.
They did not make it a formal.
Yeah, so, I mean, so I think that the only reason you can obey to me, I can say, well, German and Canada, I'm sure the MTN as the sponsors of the FA Cup. Or when you say weekend, or mileage, I check midweek games. No, that's the only reason. Because round of 32 there, fam meshe last 5 games of the season in 5th Nisa Premier League na yes omo no. So omo the game crowd FA Cup game be mid weekend. No ma drew baby a Premier League for no. Everton United, Liverpool, Aston, you know. But Wednesday night, Thursday night usually. Into sad decision where they no crack a bit, you know, a hard dream, but I think it gets down to the roots of who is planning our fixtures. When they have fixtures, no, now the plan is saying then or the tone out the year planning, no, yes or no, sorry, I know the date, because sorry, and the financial situation. I'm thinking, sir, Heart of Oak Legon Cities on a Saturday night or a Saturday evening in Accra. We'll get both teams ni mienu nyina no on benye ska chance on born midweek menye sure say nipa bebrebe tu kwan afri Kumasi akọbo ase so akọ record kone Karela and Saturday and Sunday you get a lot more people so the financial issues no but one relevant point
it should also go to our clubs to also plan well. For instance, Kotoko Ball weekend, Obo midweek, now we are now who matches are that important. You look at the ways of probably flying your players to Accra. Hearts of Oak. It's the same. I mean,
flying the players, chairman. Why wouldn't in Kotoko situation? I mean, judgment depth down, you know, and it's wired.
But fine, transportation modes, no, more easier.
Yeah,
but weekend, midweek, and weekend, sir. Oh, say Wednesday night.
So fixtures no fan plan. All of a sudden the fixtures can be changed at any time.
A TV for no.
Unim say Kotokoni has game no. Enye one weekend be postpone the Premier League matches na. Ebian ki abon elia o. On say is our local Meteos team no mo assemble ni no. One weekend be yam game. See boss our game na Kotokoni has no a week earlier.
Yeah.
A bit my fixtures in their tournament. But as to say bet me fixtures any time no so no. Bibia timisi at any time. Na Ghana Premier League fixtures no. Yendi so.
Okay. Sorry, Benedictus, you guys were the EPL. Have you heard anything about this before? I mean, Hamburg, Germany, and we all want the best for our country. But if people like you support this, how can we move forward? Benedicta, the support comes because of the fact that we say okay about EPL. No? Look at the roads they are even traveling on. Look at mode of transportation. It's easier to use a train from Manchester to London. I mean, the players will sit comfortable because even in the train you have business class in the train. Me call Manchester City, Chelsea. No, the next day train move from Manchester to London. We shall Quid Freddy Tony Apia a drive from Manchester to London. You know, a whole crying now with them. It's generally, I know, BB Kakra. Oh, but of course, I mean, me say me per the idea that your games will be a midweek, Sunday, but I don't know, yeah, you do it in connection. With, for instance, the distance of Kwano. And any team from the north, ever a league, the following season they go on relegation. Yeah. The reason being that they travel more than any team.
Yeah.
Because, for instance, ITU, maybe go matches will war. Now, for instance, ITU, what travel Abe Kumasi, Abe game, no. Their next game is at home. So they have to travel the same distance they came back. The next game, maybe on the Karela and Inase. Also travel from Tamale by bus to her. The next game, Obo home. Also Sabanechi. The next game, on the Hearts of Oak from Tamale to Accra, it's like 8 hours, right?
Yeah.
No, I can't travel all the way. Yasaka just say home. No, I can't travel back. And no, you hear about your system. It is sometimes one of your fixtures. You can look at it in ways. Okay, a team like that, your fixtures. Maybe I will travel by Accra. And your money more 2 or 3 home away matches into us. For instance, maybe a man about Accra, about house we are, about dreams do, or we are about Tema. No, abefi. It means that you're turning obenya the chance. At no fear 3. On that na go be just ubo home back also go away back. Ubo home back also go away back. Look at House of Oak situation. Even though they are playing away to Legon Cities, by Accra, they are playing against Windy Professor in Accra. Ejamo 3 games in Accra. The Hearts then got a moment complaining.
Yes.
Because you are in Accra. No care about tournament. Say a tournament. Say we better Accra, no matter what Accra. Until you play on Sunday, you rest till Thursday. Then you play Thursday night. Then you play on Sunday evening, yeah, probably afternoon. Until but they will have to manage. But I say there is another debate, another discussion. And also, but when I say, suggested, I say, in this heat, as is a man for quite near referee. And then he share, say, yeah, Kotokone has. If I have foreign referee, but answer no bebano. And then Ghana Football Association penning for intro to Ghana Health Service penning for and say. You increase the percentage for a stadium no for Kotoko House. You should do a special dispensation to take it to like 50%. Yahweh Euros here. St. Petersburg almost allow 50%. Budapest they almost say hungry for them the 100%. They allowed it. Amsterdam, Bucharest, Copenhagen, Glasgow, Rome, Seville, 25 to 45%. Yeah, you know. You're going to say, Kotokone has. You're going to has the Olympics. Stadium next year, Mama Mukobu Gate. Imagine, and here has Olympics. Kotoko has. Aden yem me kwani mum. Nani say has of neighbor home onyen sika. Nani panema. Dan say ye bemo mababu gate no ma free. Na still ni pane wom na kobro 50%.
I'm just hoping say Kotoko make us say more Eddie kind ball first round no na obi ani stadium.
I say Kotoko ball first round. But at that time they allow ni pass.
I mean that is there's has raised issue and not Kotoko the diaba, you know, and all of that, but I think you know Ebuama agro no eye there.
Obviously, Tamale to Accra is 10 to 11 hours.
Yeah.
Let me see it.
Chairman, such situation where no any and some Dr. Insian Saiho as the presidential advisor on health issues. Minim says he reported that and say yare no eba forma na yare no ekosro. Yeti yare no kra no ehu de robo kra che. Bebre na kra vaccine no omunya nwoye. Nti scientifically no and medically no minim the current state of COVID-19 issues ewo memuha. Nti say Dr. Bema but as football loving people, it's always exciting to have the roof filled to the rafters, especially at Kotokone Ativuka. The Edikan am I good pictures. Say Kotokone Ativuka Asia, now we are here for nine, you know, Biashe, our Star Times, now Waboma. Am I good pictures? Am I TV no suyefe? The Tosumi am I energy levels no, make vibration, what stadium on so no, ayesrunko. The Tosumi and Sa. Sikasem no kosro. The tosu 9 emaye hu senya Ghana football or dono ACTI we can measure. Say bring back the love no levels be ne wo. A low tank and a medium tank and a fully filled tank that we can measure the state of our football. I think I mean from a layman's point of view it would be exciting to say benya even 100% capacity. No be to me aba. There are suggestions. Say get fees no. Yan fan ko be 100 cedis. Na 100 cedis no, you bet me 50% 100 cedis. We make more money. We make the people are there. 100 cedis no.
100 cedis be VIP another.
Oh, at least 100 cedis be one VIP say no, bet me 200. And now popular stand 50 cedis and now 30 cedis because one Mexican and Kosura obiya baby. Say oko charge the usual 15 cedis 10 cedis on Bessebu Gate no, and I'm sure say with Emrene way 18th our game near 27th, barely 9 days to this very critical game no. I'm not too sure say your health authorities no to me take an immediate decision on the subject matter. I would have some bet me take a decision yeah, but I have doubts. So to curb the here Accra Great Olympics ni Kumasi Asante Kotoko no mi susu ye nie yan to get fees nim so popular stand here 50 to 40 cedis upper terrace maybe 50 to 70 cedis VIP 100 cedis VVIP and presidential lounge 200 cedis na teams ni nyes kakakra na limited the number of people who, because say the economic situation in our country, a bedding. So on a Sunday, nipa no be na adwe so okoyi, 50 cedis for a popular stand ticket. Enti eno kra no ebe ma nipa ni bebre ahwe game no e television so. But question how the two yanimu about capacity ne there anka efe. But to me no any nimdia was asem we no bro ya adwe ni enti ase so.
Okay, Christian, me boss so there Michael be your name and say I see nothing wrong with the fixtures. Manchester United players were playing Europa League on Thursdays and playing big games on Sundays, so it's normal. They should play. But foreign referees to official Kotoko has is total insult to our referees here. Michael, be your name. I didn't know.
Just a bit on that text. Why are we so quick to compare Ghana to England? We know that. I mean, Chairman, I hear a referee and I shut down. Some Man United they took call Brussels and took call Roma Kobo match. Is that now cry to Kumasi one lane? One lane. And no chia STC akonya accident. Your friend is saying trailer bakui asay sikwam STC drivers mienu. State transport I said they have the best drivers. Wako crash Kumasi road yai. That's what we are talking about. So we have
our transportation system
absolutely so different from my chairman. So
nya no kwa keke offer road na wie no no kofa flight utimi na men ko udi go plane 2 average obe na so say dey go pay Cote d'Ivoire so muna ya plane chairman yeah situation hand there na say na me share La Liga TV La Liga hetefe 14 bus no kra no e chen conference hall. Now say teams on the 2 buses they took two buses. It teams you tell me 2 buses. Players go on the team how much jet the end of the day Oliver Ken gas over to be able to follow. How much team no money go there so to say yeah and your transportation system you are just hoping that your clubs no even as say buses we go nya na e say me you say teams in the buses no manya no you were quite trade but
Barcelona far from call Spain. Ekobobo ohe bus na Barcelona for team na chairman it is a flight pepe the only thing is we nam from and we too far we even the luxury of traveling on the road our buchi no entirely different from so to Ghana see
and so they should complain. I
have a friend or travel from Paris to Amsterdam on road was in Adiasa but who's Adiasa e kwa no so nyina street light esum ni kwa no so car utim so
me ra ho no
car utim so no luxurious car porto crowd na kwa no so no abu no wa feel wanya impact bia you know the situation between our countries no any my say dey entirely different. Kotoko has a folk can you imagine say Kenya full capacity nani paba in fact Ghana has a game back wa local game wa e me who spectating to the full capacity Kotoko ni has a folk Nancy enemy who the impact of spectating football say kai Euros here one game I think say Hungary at the Puskas Arena for the first time in about 16 months any who say yebo game one na stadium no pack it to the full capacity sometimes ukra osha chairman the atmosphere created by the fans no kwano add so much excitement to the game and think the biggest game on Ghana Premier League there and kabaya kono senka yebo no na Kenya a full capacity but we have limitation yeah no COVID-19 situation no on mampeni cry jai addressing the state on the current state of COVID-19 tina ya kasei se Ghana yen state o se ye yare no e kosuro e bafumo the populace is not very much abreast to the situation senke ya kase na Ghana situation na fra senka e so tia na eti dia then we can make a very good case bia ide no so sintino ye mo wande an ntimi increase air percentage ye record stadium no so but could a point say we don't even know the current state of the nation say then air cost na say air bafom senke ye enough evidence any enough data say Ghana state or COVID-19 no abafom there then we can make a very good case based on air scientific data and say can say ye na abafom tino yama wodi anan ka increase capacity no na Kotoko ni ha sa ye behwe na me adoma sa Sunday ni de at least obi atifie kra no an stadium an kwanko game ni bia he will feel the atmosphere created by these fans. Football without the fans, dear chairman, ɛma ball no nya kono obetwa ball nice football
well
but without supporters no
okay
the atmosphere now
the change Ceciana Christian DJ games that only DJ game the idea about they capture on Air Star Times and now Star Times the next 5 games of Kotoko and next 5 games of Hearts per the dates are not Star Times one any the dates today check it as I young would man their tour mine according to Star Times at the time I know more yet Omadian na Brecum Chelsea match no was supposed to be played on any 30th May Hartford home Grand Olympics 6th June away Mediama 13th June home Lagos City's share time no 27th June.
Oh okay until Lagos City's na midweek na
weekend match. Nanka FA Cup na be shem midweek but report we men say MTN FA Cup for no say omo pe weekend matches.
That I know one that would be the only reason.
I'm some per matches no. I'm some per matches no weekend because weekend. And a matches no. I'm say radio for go bebre any commentary on weekend weekdays.
That's the only reason.
Into weekends no. Weekends no. Be able commentary no my MTN FA Cup. Let they come on. It's Lagos City's ni Hearts of Oak no 27 June.
And no anke Hearts of Oak match no date.
It's just a Sunday a week. Sunday week and a cable Lagos City and a Hearts of Oak match no. Nanka Yaboko toko ne
Hearts of Oak
on the 4th of July.
That's another weekend.
Yes.
It's Chawa.
I know now. But to say as it stands, the Godogo has game. Yansasano. It is still coming on the 27th. I know any said yeah. I can't but say we know they all can also share new management ye. Yeah, me did say beboa ama we nyina akoso. Well, yeah, let's ship the about chim come because ship the say next who can normally can next week does over. Na
Dubai trip no.
Dubai trip no, one next week no so say Abigail. Our no engagement